G'day here, Ivan here from Perth Watch. In this video I want to share what I've discovered about how to poach perfect eggs. Now I love poached eggs. I've tried to achieve perfect poached eggs over many years and I'm convinced that there is only really one secret. Now, you know, people talk about achieving 0.125% salt in your water, stirring clockwise if you're in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise if you're elsewhere, depending on the phase of the moon and whatnot, dancing around the pan, chanting some secret ancient spell to get the eggs to poach properly. Now all that doesn't work, I think it's all just a bunch of gibberish really in my experience, but I have now found how to do it, so I'm going to show you how I do it. So let's get to the kitchen and I'll show you the method that I've discovered. Alright guys, so here we go, water just coming to the boil. I'm going to take it off the boil, right, and that's where you want it. It's kind of just off the boil, and here is my egg. Alright, I'm just going to start cracking it and getting it ready. Alright, just give it some good cracks. Or maybe just a little bit too much on the boil. Alright, just going to give it a stir, and I don't think it really matters whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise, okay? That's just my experience. Crack it in the middle and let it cook. Okay, so you can see that cooking nicely there. Right, you could give it a little bit of extra stirs, but I think I don't really need to. It's really collecting very nicely. And I just want to say that I'm kind of all thumbs in the kitchen. Right, so if I can do this, pretty much anybody can do this. Right, so I'm just going to start my kitchen timer here. I've set it for about 2 minutes 30. That's the kind of time that I like to cook it for a very slightly runny yolk. So we're just going to let it skip forward now and let this egg just settle. Alright guys, so that's about 2.5 minutes on the kitchen timer, just over that in terms of cooking time. So all I need to do is something like this, nothing too fancy, this will do. And here is a piece of toast which I prepared earlier, so just get it out of the water now. Alright, and there we have it. Okay, just going to get it onto the toast now. And look at that, perfectly poached egg. A little bit of pepper, I suppose, if you want. All natural goodness, a bit of avocado goes nicely. And let's just have a look at how it works. Alright, perfectly poached eggs. So guys, that's my method. Let me just tell you what the secret is as we go back into the backyard shot, okay? So guys, that's my method of how to achieve perfect poached eggs. So it's not all those other methods that I've shared earlier. So what is the actual secret? Well, let me show you what the actual secret is. Right, it's these ladies, guys, these ladies in my backyard. Fresh eggs are the answer. That is really the only way that I have found to poach perfect eggs, and better than anything I've seen in almost every restaurant I've eaten in. So really that's what I've found. Let me know what you think about your particular methods, what you have found. It's to do with the albumin, the protein, and how they actually keep together. Once you buy eggs from the supermarket, they can be up to 40 days old. That's what I've read, and that's why the protein has broken out and it won't stick together. So guys, this is my sharing, and thanks to my ladies here in the background, that's how we get perfect poached eggs. If you've watched my video up to this point, you may have realized this is actually a horology and watch channel. My usual subscribers, apologies if you've seen this come up on your notifications. I have actually turned off notifications for this, but even if you've seen this, I hope you found this interesting. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.